Hi, I'm Ruthie Dahle and welcome to my channel and welcome to this video. This time I'm inspired by the 1930s, and if you want to know how I achieved this makeup look, then keep on watching. So today I'm doing a 1930s inspired makeup look, and to explain a little bit about what I'm doing and where I'm going, I want to start with the blush. I've already put it on and the bronzer, but back then it was lower than we have it today, so I went as low as I want to. I don't want to go too low, but usually everything is focused right here, so it's pretty low. So if you want to get it that accurate. Also, there were thin eyebrows. I do not look good with thin eyebrows, but I have done something, and I do something every day that they did back in the day, and that is long, winged out on the side, wider, closer to the hairline type of eyebrows. That is something I do every day just to open up my face. So that is a tip for you. If you feel like your face is a little cramped, you can go ahead and do that. You can keep your eyebrows the way they are if that is what you want to do. Now, I love the 1930s movies, which is why I want to do this makeup look. Now, I would do it somewhat modern. When I say somewhat modern, I will not be doing fake lashes because I have enough lashes on my own. But if you do not, put on fake lashes, because it was a time when everybody wore fake lashes. Well, those that wore makeup anyways. And dark lips was a must, so I would do my lips in the very end. So I will focus on the eyes first. And the eyes, when it comes to color, is quite natural. It's brown, whatever shade worked for you, but it was brown. And then it was lighter eyelids, so we have to make sure we get that. And a winged eyeliner, but not as winged as I do it or most people today do it. It's a very, very slight wing, so I have to make sure I get that right. First thing I want to start with is an eyeshadow, and I already picked the color that I want. I think that will work best for me. So the difference between my everyday makeup and the 1930s makeup is the fact that they used a darker eyeshadow than I do for my everyday, because I just put my bronzer on my eyelids and that's my eyeshadow for every day. But we need to go a little darker than that. So I'm taking the Makeup Revolution Mother of Dragons, and I'm going in with Castle, which is this one right here. And to achieve this makeup look, I'm taking a big fluffy brush like this one, and where we want this color is in the crease and a little bit above, bringing it out here, but nothing out to the eyebrows. That's not it. This is where we want to focus it. And then we want to get the same color on the lower lashes, and for that I will either use this flat brush Before I move on, I will just take my Essence eye blender brush that looks like this, and I will just blend underneath the eye, and that's the only place I will blend. And then it's time to put on a lighter eyeshadow, and I just want to see. So for the lighter color, I would just use a highlighter to achieve the look, just because it's the only light skin colored eyeshadow I have with glitter in it. If you don't have anything with glitter in it, I guess you can do a matte eyeshadow and then add a little bit of glitter on top, but I'm skipping that step. So I'm just gonna use my NYX Strobe of Genius, and I'm using this color right here. I don't have that much left, but that's fine. I'm just putting this on my eyelid, so it's enough. And to achieve that look, I will be using this flat brush right here and maybe go in with my finger on top. And that's for the eyeshadow. Now I want to move on to the eyeliner. So for this, I'm using my liquid eyeliner, the Dipliner Ink from H&M. That looks like this. Then I want to go ahead and put on some mascara, and I'm using the Maybelline, the Colossal, that looks like this, and I'm only putting mascara on my upper lashes. And then to make my lashes a little bit more intense and darker, I'm going to be putting on a eyeliner pencil on my waterline, but only on my upper waterline. And this one doesn't have a brand name, so I can't tell you which one it is, but that's what it looks like. And so I only want to put it on my upper waterline. So because I'm not wearing false lashes, I want to intensify this a little bit more to give it similar look. Just because my lashes are naturally really long, I don't need false lashes. And then lips are next. I do not have a lip liner that matches this lipstick, so I'm going to be using a lighter lip liner and then just making it work. So I'm using the lip liner from Primark, and it's the AK002418-00, and I'm going to be lining my lips and then we will take it from there. For the lipstick color, I'm using the Kiko Milano's 914 lipstick, and it looks like this. And then I'm taking a small brush like this one. This one I always use for my lips, because even after I lined it and I put it on, and obviously I didn't put it to the edge, because I like to go in with this brush to get to the edge. And so I like to just dab a little on the lipstick and then draw a line. I then want to apply highlight the way I normally do, and so I'm taking the Makeup Revolution Cheek Kit Take a Breather, and I'm going in with this number 1 right here. And I'm taking first a big fluffy brush like this, and then smaller brush like this for more detailed areas. And the very last thing I will be putting on is some setting spray, and I'm using the one from Makeup Revolution Sport Fix that looks like this. And here you have it, a 1930s inspired makeup look, and it's quite modern and up to times. I think whenever you're doing a timeless makeup look like this one, it doesn't matter what decade you are in, you're gonna look amazing and fabulous and elegant and classy, which is what a lot of us wants to do. And so that is all I have for you today, and if you liked the video, leave a like and a comment down below, and if you want more content like this, then hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and you will be notified when I upload a video. And with that, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye!